Welcome back to the channel, man. Appreciate you guys being here again. It is December 24th, man, and it's Christmas Eve. So, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna celebrate like it's Christmas Eve, you feel me? So, who don't know that, hold up, where are my manners? TriVision 3D, you see the at TriVision 3D, man. Share this out with your friends and family, man, and know that I appreciate you guys for being here. A month ago, I was in November, like the second or third week of November. They announced that I got accepted to the program for the ambassadorship or client or agent for Shop HQ. And from there, they sent us some goodies and they gave us the opportunity to get into a number of watches. And our sole purpose was to showcase the items that we have or that we know about and just be ambassadors for what we know, right? Most of us were watch collectors. If not, there were 9 of us chosen. So the watches were our bread and butter, pretty much. So literally for the past month, pretty much, we have been letting you guys know, if you're a new customer, you can just use the code that was provided. So for me, if you haven't already, go type in Travis30. It's right there on the screen. Type that in if you're a new customer. Now, of course, you're not going to get it for Christmas because today is pretty much Christmas. But you can get it by no later than the first year, I imagine. Or if not, that first week of January. So if you're a new customer, again, go to Shop HQ. If you don't, look, you don't even have to finish watching the rest of this video. You can come back if you want to just go grab something. Because I'm about to show you a watch that is not an Invicta. It's not a deep blue. It's nothing of the above. It's something that I saw on the thing they call Watch This.
So excited that Watch This is back one more time before the holidays. This Tuesday, Constantin Weis and a couple of German companies are going to make their presence known at 10 p.m. Eastern on Shop HQ.
Hindi normally showcases this, but they had a company called Constantin Weis, and that's what's in here. In courtesy of Shop HQ, I have one here. And this is, I actually unboxed this already, but I'm going to give you my opinion of what I think so far, and actually going to learn with me, I guess. We're going to learn together. That's it. I'm going to get the camera flipped around. You guys get to see Santa Claus, possibly some watches in the back. I got some watches on this table. So, okay, sitting at my kitchen table, we're going to pretty much go through this thing together. Okay, so this is a mechanical watch. It is a push-pull crown timepiece, very elegant. You have, you see that? Can you see me? Hold up, yeah. See me shaking my head back and forth. So you got high polish on this thing. Nice leather. You can smell it too. Leather is beautiful. So I'm gonna pull this out real quick and get this thing to going. It is, what time is it? 2:40. I'll just leave it right there. And then I'll wind this thing up. Hold up. Let me go ahead and take this out. Give it a couple winds, and let's take a look at the dial. I'm gonna get a close-up on the dial. Let's look at that skeletonization. It looked like these little aubergine rivets or something on the dial. Ooh, okay, that right there. And you see at the 12 o'clock, you see the actual design for Constantin Weis. That's not bad, man. It's just something about looking at the movement of a watch, man. It's just beautiful. This right here is a limited edition. You see at the very bottom, it's upside down, but 5 atmospheres of water resistancy, stainless steel. That's the reference number. And I'm telling you, just the feel is very comfortable watch. And let's look at the buckle here. See what's stamped on there. Not bad. It's not bad. This is a throw it on, throw it up under the suit, and keep it moving. Genuine leather. This is a German brand. That's the actual. So we'll set this right here. Let's get the camera. Set it right up under Santa Claus's feet. All right. So in the box, certification and it's signed. That's personally signed too. That's crazy. And it's in German. If you can read that, then you know you're good to go. So I got 300 out of 499. 300 is not bad. And then you have the information booklet. Tells the displays the hour, minute, operation, the crown, and it tells a story right there. Mechanical precision movement. Real interesting. Tells you about winding the watch. So this is just going to give you instructions and your warranty on here. So this is my very first Constantin Weis, and I have to say, off of pure looks, nice little watch, 42 millimeter. It is outside of the spectrum that but you know what? I like watches in general, and I'm willing to, you know, give watches a shot. You can actually find this watch on Shop HQ for about $100, but that's perfect for you new customers because you get 30% off that, so you're not paying full price. So I would say take full advantage of that. We're coming up at the end of the year. I got a notification from Shop HQ that, you know, we only had so many days left to push this. So I don't know if this is experimental phase for them to see how well it went. If they come back with it, I will come back with new codes. If not, I will say, hey, Shop HQ, thank you for the opportunity to do this, man. It was fun just promoting and putting up the videos that I have, man. I appreciate you guys supporting. Appreciate everything that you do with the channel, man. And we're going to continue the channel going. Somebody just got to my door. So as I walk over to the door, family, we're going to close out this year with an unboxing. We'll close out with an unboxing. So, man, hope you guys have a blessed day.